Hey guys, it's Tool Guy Y here, and today I have a package from Capri Tools. They sent it over to me. I actually entered one of their giveaways, and they actually won. So they sent this to me, and it's a beautiful set. It's a beautiful socket set. This is the 27 piece, 3/8 standard Smart Chrome Master socket set. The part number on this is CP16301. And in this video, it's going to be a first look, an unboxing, see what it looks like, see what it has and whatnot. I'm also going to make a follow-up video of me actually using it, seeing how well the sockets hold up, the ratchet holds up and whatnot. But yeah, so I'm going to open this up and we're going to take a look at it inside right now. Alright guys, so the first thing I noticed about this box is that it's very well built. It's very sturdy, very strong. It doesn't look like it flexes much. Also, the thing I noted most, or I noticed first, was that these latches are actually very nice. It's not like those other like Chinese brand latches that comes with the Chinese cases and tools. These are actually very nice. They're spring loaded, really nice. So it's actually nice to see a company put in that much work for the packaging of their tools. To me, it just kind of shows that they care about their tools and they don't want anything to happen up to it. So when you open it up, it has a foam, prevents, I guess, the movement of the sockets and tools when you're carrying the case itself. So that's right there. Okay, and then we have all the sockets here. We have the shallows, we have the deeps, and this is really nice. To be honest, I've been very impressed by these sockets. I haven't been impressed by a certain socket in a while, but these sockets are absolutely nice. Their engravings is super deep. Doesn't look like it's going to be coming off anytime soon or fading. And that Smart Chrome itself is just the finish. The Smart Chrome gives the sockets the perfect polished look and feel. And I think they did a good job with it, you know. Their Smart Chrome sockets are really nice. But yeah, they have the deep, and they have the shallow. And these sockets, they also have wave drive technology. So what that means is that unlike traditional 12 points, the points in here, right here, they aren't actually pointed. They're slightly curved. And what that does, it transfers the torque uniformly and prevents damaging and rounding of the bolt, which seems pretty cool to me. I do want to try that out, see how well it does. Although I don't really use standard sockets that much, but I do want to try it out when I get the chance. So as soon as I get the chance, I will make another video for that, of seeing how well it works, their technology, their wave drive technology works. But until then, you know, I'm gonna have this video up for now. So it comes also with this 3/8 swivel, and these swivels I honestly don't really like, because the only thing that holds these swivels in together are these pins right here. So if you don't watch out, I mean, you know, it's hard, but sometimes you actually use like your little impact gun, your electric impact gun, and eventually these pins do come out, and you know, you're taking off a bolt and they just, you know, they pop out, and then you're down a swivel. But these are chrome sockets, so it is not recommended to use impact guns on these, because they will break. They aren't as strong as impact sockets. Let's see, it comes with a 3-inch, a 6-inch, and a 10-inch adapter or extension. So the 3-inch right here, and like I said, like all of them are very nicely engraved. All of them are engraved. You got all the part numbers on here, and I'll put the part numbers in the description, because if you guys ever want to buy them separately, I'm pretty sure you can, especially the ratchets and extensions. But I was really interested in this, the T-bar extension, because I never really saw anything like this before. And the T-bar extension is basically a 1/2 inch to 3/8, so you can use it as a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. And what it has is it has a check ball in here, so you can actually put your extension in there and it holds it in place. Doesn't really slather on much. And what that does is you can just, put a socket on here. Maybe you can use a bigger extension. I do have like a 3-foot extension, and you can use that as a 3/8 breaker bar right there. So I was pretty impressed by that, because I've actually never seen any T-bar T-bar adapters before, and I thought that was really cool. And it also comes with this ratchet right here. The ratchet is beautiful. It reminds me of my snap-on ratchet. It does have the Capri Tools logo and the name engraved on it really nicely. It also has the part number. If you guys are interested in this ratchet, I do believe they sell it separately. The part number for that is CP12300C. So you have the on and off engravings. On to the left, off to the right. Yeah. 72 teeth. So 72 teeth. It has a 5-degree arc swing. Really nice ratchet. Non-flex head. Strong. Seems strong. I'm going to be using this actually a lot more. So I will definitely make a review on this ratchet. And yeah. That's everything that comes with this Capri Tools 3/8 27-piece 12-point Smart Chrome Master Socket set. And that is what it looks like. And to be honest, I have to give a shout out to Capri Tools, because Capri Tools actually there was a problem with the shipping, and because I won this, they sent me their sample set, and I guess the sample set was to show people what they're selling, and I guess in the process of it, someone actually borrowed the in the process of it, there was actually a problem with it, and something was missing. And I contacted Capri Tools, and they actually handled it very well, very quickly, and very professionally. And I was very impressed by their customer service. So I gotta give a shout out to them, because it was an amazing job they did when they took care of me. But yeah, that is the Capri Tools set. Alright guys, so that concludes this video, my unboxing and first impressions of the Capri Tools standard master socket set. So yeah, if you guys like what you see, please hit that like and subscribe button, because I will actually be doing a follow-up video with this Capri Tools in the field, doing some field tests, getting a feel for the ratchet, the extensions, the sockets, the wave drive features. So if you guys like what you see, please hit that like and subscribe button. I will be posting in the near future about this again. Also, if you like what you saw, please check out my Instagram, ToolGuyY. I do post daily on that, so I'll probably have something about this in the field before I post on YouTube. So please definitely check that out. Thank you guys again for watching yet another one of my YouTube tool review videos. So please have a wonderful day, and thank you guys for watching. Cheers.